we're back at Late Apex to check on the Porsche 944 project, and we'll be handing over some goodies that we received yesterday. So check it out. So a new package arrived today. What's this? This is some overnight parts from Japan. So it's time to open it. Okay. Wow. Okay. So we finally gave in and ordered a manifold for the Rb25. And it's quite heavy, so let me just take it out. There you go. So hopefully this will fit. I'll be turning this over to Late Apex. So this is a closer look at the intake manifold for the Rb25. So it's not so bad. It has a throttle body adapter. This one is the fuel rail. Some lines, I don't know for what. Then bolts. Some are bolts. So let's see if this will fit.
The next day.
So some new progress. Engine is there. The radiator is already mounted with the intercooler. So as mentioned in the last episode, we'll still be changing the actual intercooler to a new one. We already have the rear end from an R33 Skyline. So there. I think we will be using tubular trim at the back. And here is the additional mounting point that we did. So interior parts have been removed. See? And I forgot to mention before that we already have the rear pedals installed somewhere there. Sorry, not rear pedal, but the manual pedals installed. So that's the best setup. And yeah, look at that. Widening fenders of the 21. Nice. So it's time to change this one, maybe after we set everything up. So just to make sure that the car will start first. Let's take a look some more at the shop. So there's a guard dog. And, what? Do you know? Can you guess what car this is? Nice. Very nice. Okay, so another issue with the rear end of the R33, it looks like this would need higher offsets compared to the front, which needs lower offset. So for example, I get an 18 by 9 offset 15 in the front. I probably would be needing to get an 18 by 10 but offset 30 or 25 for the rear. So let's try to find the perfect set, because that's totally hard to find. So that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.